So here's a little our shoring system. It comes on a little tubular stacker. It's got a pair of legs, adjustable legs for the bottom, and it comes in two pieces. You can just peel them off. They're 2 feet. The circumference or the diameter is 4 feet, and they're 2 feet. Each piece is 2 feet high. Here's it all hooked up. You can see our ladder that snaps together. The pieces just go on and snap, and the other pieces come with the down pieces, so there's nothing loose to handle. They've got hooks in the bottom. You can see the 4 straps here hooked up with the D hook on top. So if you want to use them for an emergency rescue situation, you would just extend the boom on the hole, or a boom truck with a cable, hook them up to here, and then you can keep adding pieces as you get deeper. So you'd suck this is 4 feet high here, so you'd suck 4 feet down, and then as you're going, if you needed more depth, you could just add another 2 panels. Work excellent in sandy digging or soft ground, built for hydrovacs. So there they are.